All right, so we have checked into our room at the Grand Floridian. Again, this was given to us by Disney to come out and check out Food and Wine Festival. So that's amazing. This is a great room. It's actually a club level room, but unfortunately, club level is not opening for another month and a half or so. But it's a good room, I guess.
Hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but
What's the interesting thing is that there are 2 double beds here. So Leslie and I might actually sleep separately for the first time in a while because this is pretty tiny for 2 people, one of whom is over 6 feet tall. So
totally comfortable having my own bed.
That's your bed. This is my bed. I think that's how we're gonna do it for the night. So,
I'm okay with this.
I think we're gonna go check out the Enchanted Rose. Is that where we're going?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be.
The Enchanted Rose. It's actually not too packed in here. I thought it was gonna be pretty busy.
Well, it is over in the other area. So we are actually in like the library and it's nice and quiet over here. They don't have the outdoor seating open, which is odd. That's where I would have preferred to sit. But this is nice.
It's lovely. I got an old fashioned and you got
A pomegranate Hefeweizen, so.
we'll see. So we are leaving the Grand Floridian, headed to the Polynesian. We're gonna take the walking path. We are in search of food. We are hungry. Before we go watch Happily Ever After, we want to grab something to eat. So we're either gonna get the pulled pork nachos at Captain Cook's, or we are potentially going to order more Ohana food at the Tambu Lounge.
Which I'm really good with either.
I'm good with either, so we're gonna see what we can get. What's, you know, the least amount of wait time, I think, is what we're shooting for at this point. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm just like, you know,
Yeah, no.
all good food.
Enchanted Rose was lovely, by the way.
Lovely.
It was lovely.
Your old fashioned was very good. You got the regular one this time instead of the seasonal. I got the pomegranate Hefeweizen, which I've heard amazing things about, and it was very good. However, I am partial to the grapefruit.
So we have made it to Tambu Lounge again. Shocking, I know. We love this place. We just got wine and beer, and we ordered some food from Ohana. So we got the noodles, the pot stickers, and the wings.
Yeah, we were hoping to get the pulled pork nachos, but you can only get those downstairs, and we really wanted to just kind of hang by the bar for just a little bit before we head over to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, it just started raining on the way over here, so.
Yeah, we're trying to avoid the rain. So, we're gonna head to Magic Kingdom for Happily Ever After in person. Do not let me forget to get some napkins. For
all the crying?
For all the crying that's going to ensue.
It's wet out there.
But by golly, I'm gonna see Happily Ever After in person.
If they run it, man, like it's wet.
I think it's gonna stop soon.
That's wishful thinking.
So we're gonna hang out here for a minute.
Are we? I thought we were gonna go.
No, like I think we should look at the weather again and just see if maybe there's gonna be a break soon, and then we can run over to Magic Kingdom. Should we take the monorail?
From here without the monorail station?
Oh yeah, we have to walk to TTC anyway. Never mind.
We gotta walk regardless, so I think we're gonna at least walk over to Grand Floridian and see what's up. Once we get there,
it's my birthday.
You're gonna be here. It's not your birthday anymore. So we are going to put the camera away. We'll update at some point in the future, not sure when.
Yes.
We all have the courage to fly.
Alright, so we just checked out of our Grand Floridian room. We put our stuff in the car, and now we are headed back in here upstairs to hit the monorail over to Magic Kingdom. We've got just a couple of hours of things we want to get done before we have to go back to our house, finish things up there, and head to the airport. What do you think?
I'm excited to get back home, but I'm also kind of sad.
Yeah. It was a fun trip.
It was a fun trip.
And just like that, we are back home. The Dapper Dance. Oh, that's fun. I do like the Dapper Dance. We are going to, I think, shop down Main Street. We got to go in the Emporium, so we can get the kids a couple of little, sorry we left you at home while we came to Disney World and had fun type of presents. And you have your new shirt on.
Yes.
And we've made it into a very busy Emporium this morning. That, the Stitch hat.
Yes, I just think it's so cute.
I'm pretty sure he would appreciate the Incredibles wishable.
I think he would. Choices.
We should get Aiden that Minnie Mouse right there.
You think he'd like it?
Yes. All right, shopping done. We made it through the Emporium, and now we are headed to Pecos Bill's. We just mobile ordered, so we are starving. And are you hungry? We're hungry, and then I think we may try to get something at Aloha aisle after that. So let's do this. Right, are you checking us in?
I did. I just checked us in.
Perfect. Do we go in here or?
I think we do once we get the alert.
I do love Pecos Bills. They used to have an amazing toppings bar over here, which has since disappeared due to COVID, so that is a bummer. I wonder if you can request additional toppings? Let's see how this works. I don't think we haven't had it since all of the changes, right?
Yep.
All right, so are you gonna be okay with this food option here?
I think so. It looks fantastic. Looks like you were able to ask for some extras.
I got extra salsa. They did not have pico.
Oh well.
So the toppings bar is no mo.
No mo.
We finished up with Pecos Bills. We ordered the Kakamora float, which we were about to go pick up. Mobile ordered that at Aloha Isle, but before that we went into Memento Mori.
Woo.
Found a really cool Hawaiian Hitchhiking Ghost shirt, but it was $85, so not that cool, I don't think. I don't know. Although we do have a discount.
We do, 20% off.
I don't know. It's getting closer. All right.
Something's coming.
Are you excited to try this?
I am so excited. I can't believe that it's been so many trips that we haven't tried this. I mean, I love coconut, so I'm pumped.
How long have they had it?
I think they've had it for a little while. At least the last couple of trips that we've come.
A Kakamora float. It is coconut soft serve with pineapple and curacao, right? Mm-hmm. And then a cake pop.
We should have gotten a straw.
Yeah, I know. Coconut pineapple is lovely.
This coconut soft serve is yummy.
Princess is down. I think it's about time to blow this popsicle stand.
Yeah.
I know one thing for sure, it is hot in July in Orlando right now.
Hot.
It is a little warm out there. We're about done.
Yeah, I think we're about wrapping it up.
We'll head back, run by the house, and then we are flying out of here. This may be the last update for the trip.
Yeah, so until next time.
See you soon.